Hello guys, in the first few seconds I have to admit something, I'm not actually a real person. I am an avatar created with the power of artificial intelligence tools. Are you as interested in the idea of having your own avatar as I am? I show you exactly how to create your own avatar using advanced AI technology, so you won't waste a second.
HeyGen is a website that allows you to create your own avatar, which is a virtual representation of yourself. First, you have to create an account. I put the link in the description. It's free to sign up and use the website, so click fast and make your account. After you sign in, click on Create New Video to start creating your video. In the first section you can see different types of templates: advertising, news, social media, health, and many other things. Choose the type of video you want to create, such as a promotional video, explainer video, or social media video. Next, you'll need to create your avatar. Here you have different options. You can upload a photo you already have. For example, if you generate a photo from AI, you can upload it here. If you need some good image generator, just tell me in the comment. Or you can even create your own avatar here. Now in this video, we want to use the avatars available in HeyGen. So click on this option. You have so many choices. By clicking on any of these, you can replace the avatar you want. For example, I choose this one. You need a script now. You can ask chatgpt to write a script for you. For example, I ask this: write a short paragraph about how AI tool help us in our lives. You can ask anything you want, even a short sentence or a complete ViD script. Now you have your text. Paste your script here. I just paste a sentence. You can paste whatever you want. Then you can choose the voice that you want your avatar to have. HeyGen has its own text-to-speech feature, which means you can make your avatar speak using pre-recorded voices.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how I sound.
I choose my voice. You can also adjust the language speed, pitch, and tone of the voice. Alternatively, if you want to create a more unique voice for your avatar, you can use a tool like AI to generate a custom voiceover and upload it here. I have worked with that in other videos. You can watch them if you want. Here, if you want to have more than one scene, you can duplicate the first scene, or even just add another template and design it however you want. And even you can add transition between your slides. Now it's time to customize your text and images here. You can change the font, size, color, and everything else so easily. Also, you can add extra text here with nice fonts and designs. You can change its properties by right-clicking on any item. From here you can add elements to your slide. At the end of this row, you have music that you can add to your video. In addition to creating an AI avatar for you, this AI tool can also be used as a video editor. It has very attractive features that make video making very easy for people. In addition, to use this AI, you do not need specialized knowledge to edit. A very interesting feature of HeyGen is that you can record screen and add it to your video at the same time. Here you can preview it to see how it looks and sounds.
AI tools have enhanced our productivity, efficiency, and decision-making capability.
I like it. With HeyGen, you can easily create a video using an avatar that looks and sounds human. Finally, when you're ready to download, just click here.
AI tools make our lives simpler, safer, and more convenient. Subscribe to the channel for new AI tools introducing.
Please like the video if you want to know more about new AI tools. Till the next video.